What's up, fellow fish nerds? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Lookout Point Reservoir. I'm here with my buddy Matt Dans and my new friend Tom out on Tom's boat. We've been trolling and casting, looking for smallmouth bass and walleye. Let's check out that action. Some harnesses are longer. I like mine a little bit shorter. Mid, and you want a little bit of tail though. One little tail. This is a little float pill. Both will float, so it kind of keeps it up off the bottom. 16-18 inches to the weight that's on a slider down to the ball, and then I like to follow the bottom. Personally, I'll hold it in my hand and just literally will feel the contour. I'll watch the sonar as it comes up. I'll bring it up. As it goes down, I'll take it down. And if nothing else, you're going to catch, you know, bass, catfish, suckers, and potentially walleye. Good area. Fish finder's going crazy. We have multiple rods out, different depths. Let's hope this works out. Big one fish. Oh yeah. Take this. It's a huge fish. Yeah, it is. Nice. Whoa, thanks. That is
nice work, buddy.
Large fish.
Yeah. Look at that one. Yeah, that's right on that silver plug, huh? Deep diving silver plug. Yep. You can run that boat now. I'll take care of this. Yeah, that's the biggest one I've caught out of this. Biggest one I've caught.
Just circle it, or
you can.
It's up to you. Okay.
You can. Now the sun comes, getting him out of the net. Yeah.
Did our pliers?
Yeah, there's some ads on. Oh, well, there's something there. I got my pliers all over and I can't see them. Oh. That was a nice little, that's a nice fish spider. Don't overcorrect that motor, man. Right. Carry that hook right now. There's the killer right there. Deep diver.
And how deep was it?
It was probably down to 20 feet. It dives 20 feet. So
okay.
It was probably down to 20 feet. Yeah.
Yeah, sucker. It's huge.
Yeah, the holder. All right.
Hey Matt, can you grab that camera? And it's right here. And just push the red button on top. That's all you got to do.
That's where that guy hook is. Yeah.
Here you go, Tom. I'm gonna net him.
Smallmouth bass.
That a boy. That works.
You got him netting? No. Got him?
There we go.
There he is. That's a keeper.
Tom will eat him.
Yeah. Alright.
Hey, it's something. It's true. It's my first fish at Lookout. There you go.
Sean doesn't know. Matty.
Sweet.
All right.
All right. Good job, you guys.
Oh, ain't it beautiful?
All right, here you go, guy.
What if them are all bass down there?
All right, fish on. Most likely a smallmouth. We've been casting to the shore with swim baits.
Gonna be reeling in for you? Got your go-go. Got your go-go.
My GoPro. My go-go.
Oh, bass.
Do you wanna bring this in, Matt? So just we say you got one on the board today? All right. No, I'm just messing with you. I wasn't gonna let you actually do it. All right.
I don't know how to catch it.
Look at that.
That's what the guys were doing that for some kids in there.
Correct.
Here we are. Nice little smallmouth. You want to see what a fish looks like?
Yeah, I see it. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, here we go.
That's what they look like.
There we go, fish on. Nice hard fighting
Nice
smallie.
rods, that's a nice rod to have for stuff like that.
Yep.
A lot more fun.
Oh man.
Big
So this is gonna
bass.
be a good fight. It's just sitting down here. It's not letting me pull it up.
Well, you never know what it is till you get it in either.
It's true.
Hey Matt, can you grab the other camera? This is not letting me move it.
Jeez, that'd be a big walleye. There you go.
It's right below the motor here. I'm gonna need a net though, because this is only 8-pound test. Oh shoot! That's huge!
Big old walleye.
It's a big walleye.
Grab the net, grab the net.
I'll put this down.
No, damn it.
Reel down on.
Hold it
Down.
Don't
Put
get
it
on
down.
there.
Don't get on the edge of the boat.
Don't
On the edge
pull
of
in
the
the
boat.
water. Yeah. Don't pull in the water.
Get it, Matt, get it.
Get it from that direction.
Oh yeah, yeah, baby. Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whew. That thing's huge.
yes.
That's another big fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Sorry for yelling at y'all.
That's all good.
Oh man.
You need pliers for that thing.
Oh my gosh, I was so worried about my line getting cut on its teeth,
It's hooked.
or its
Perfect.
spines, or its gills, or you know.
It's mine, but it's a nice
Oh,
one.
come on, Tom. Had to say that, huh? Oh, dang.
Man, that
Whew.
was a nice fish.
And that was just
Staying
from
down there, staying down
just
there.
casting from the shore, and it wasn't too far off the shore. It was like 15 feet off the
See,
shore.
that makes
It's
it
probably a little
funner.
shelf or something right there.
That makes
Mhm.
it funner when you got a rod like that and do something like
Sorry,
that.
that was still running.
Yeah, no, it's perfect.
I'll
It'll
have to
get some money. Let me pick it up while.
Isn't it? It's a lot more fun when you got a little bitty rod. Oh gosh, don't break my rod. Oh gosh, don't break my line.
Hey, Matt.
Nice fish.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah,
Look at that.
baby.
Yep. God, we got two. That's bigger than average. That's a good thing about it. Maybe we're running the wrong bait.
Cool, man. Dude.
That's awesome, dude. That is awesome.
Oh yeah, thanks, Tom. 2 fat walleye and 2 smallies. Couldn't ask for a better day on the water with a couple of good people and, you know, catching some fish. So anyway, until next time, take care.